This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing cards and the keyboard. This prevents shorts and gives you access. Next, secure the tablet on a non-slip mat and attach an ESD strap to your wrist. Apply gentle heat at 60-70 degrees along the glass edges to soften adhesive. Once the adhesive yields, use a suction cup and plastic pick to lift a corner. Take your time and keep screws organized, because losing one Torx T3 screw will complicate reassembly. Once the rear case is loosened, peel it back just enough to access the motherboard and connector shields. Unscrew the small Torx fasteners holding the connector cover and remove it to expose the digitizer cable. Make sure you note cable orientation. Use a nylon spudger to flip the ZIF latch and slide the ribbon out slowly. This avoids tearing. After that, lift the broken glass away and clean the frame with 90% isopropyl to remove old adhesive so the new screen seats flat. Place the replacement screen into the frame and align the ribbon to the ZIF socket. Once aligned, lock the latch and resecure the connector cover and its screws. Apply fresh adhesive strips around the bezel, then lower the rear case and press evenly to bond. Before final sealing, power on the surface to verify touch, display, and cameras. This saves reopening. If the screen is unresponsive or shows artifacts, power off and reseat the ribbon. Trapped debris or a loose connector is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.